آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Alhamdulillah hamdan kathira sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Today our topic will be about how to know that this sigha is ism, this is a fail, or this is harf. Okay. So for this we have to start another session about the symbols of ism, fail, and harf. Stepwise we will carry on our this topic. So first of all we will cover inshallah the symbols of ism. After it the symbol of fail, and after it the symbols of harf. So the harf has so many symbols. At the last you will know that how many symbols has the harf. Okay, so inshallah we will clear these three things in our this session. In this video we will know only about the symbols of ism. If we covered in this video the symbols of ism, so inshallah we will start the symbols of fail in another video. If not, so inshallah we will divide the symbols of ism in two videos inshallah. Okay, so first of all let's come to the interactive board. Like you all know that in Irshad Sarf, kalima barsef ismas wa fail wa harfas. Okay, so first of all the definition of ism, it is very must. Okay, so what is the definition of ism, what is the definition of fail, and what is the definition of harf? Okay, this is so easy inshallah. We will only talk about the symbols of ism, fail, and harf. Okay, so first of all if we know about the definition, so it will be easy inshallah. Okay, so the definition of ism is like you all know that the name of person, place, or thing. So we will dive inshallah in Nahw deeply. So first of all the definition of ism is like the name of person, place, or thing, it is called ism. Okay, the fail in action is called verb. Okay, so the harf which connect two sighas, two kalimas, it's the harf. Okay, so inshallah we will learn about the types of harf, the type of ism, the type of fail in Nahw inshallah further in detail inshallah. In this video we will only talk about the symbols of ism, how to know the ism. Okay, that what are the main symbols of ism. Okay, so with the help of symbols you can know that this is ism, this is fail, this is harf, because we are non-native Arab. Okay, so we are not native Arab as well. Urdu people, Spanish people, English people, other languages like Ajami people, they do not know what is ism, what is fail, what is harf. So with the help of symbols or with the help of the symbols of Sarf and Nahw, we can know that this is ism, this is fail, this is harf. Okay, so let's go to the symbols of ism. At the first we will write here in English.
إذا ما قال لي ربي أما استحييت تعصيني وتخفي الذنب عن خلقي وبالعصيان تأتيني فكيف أجيب يا ويحي ومن ذا سوف يحميني أسلي النفس بالآمال من حين إلى حين وأنسى ما وراء الموت ماذا بعد تكفيني كأني قد ضمنت العيش ليس الموت يأتيني.
Look at the border that at the start there should be alif lam. Okay, when we got a kalima and there should be alif lam and we found the alif lam at the start, so it will be the ism. Okay, so when somebody asks from you that alhamdu, what is it? Alhamdu. Okay, so what is alhamdu? So we can tell to them that alhamdu is, okay, alhamdu is alhamdu, it is the ism because of this alif lam. Okay, here, because of this alif lam, it we consider it as a ism. Okay, so at the start there should be alif lam. Okay, so it will be the ism. And the second symbol of the ism is at the start there should be anyone from huroof-e-jar. Okay, from huroof-e-jar. For example, bizaidin, here in bizaidin, in this kalima, this ba is from huroof-e-jar. Okay, from huroof-e-jar, ba is from huroof-e-jar. Because of this ba we considered this kalima as ism. Okay, we consider this kalima as what? As ism. Okay, so we have more symbols for isms. So in this video we can cover these two symbols, and after it we will learn about huroof-e-jar, that what is huroof-e-jar. Okay, if you do not know about huroof-e-jar, so you cannot know about the symbol of ism. Okay, like somewhere there could come any harf from huroof-e-jar and you don't know about the huroof-e-jar, what is this harf. Okay, this is huroof-e-jar, huroof-e-nawasib, or huroof-e-jawazim. Okay, so huruf-e-nida, whatever. it comes to you don't know about these hurufs. So first of all, we will clear the huroof-e-jar. Stepwise, inshallah, we will clear these all things. Inshallah, after it, we can cover the topic of the symbol of ism. So I think this topic may be lengthy for you people. So let's come to the interactive board. Huroof-e-jar in easy way. I will teach you one bait, okay? One small poetry, two-line poetry, like Huroof-e-Jar 17 hai, okay? Huroof-e-Jar is 17. How much? 17, okay? Like I'm writing here.
إذا ما قال لي ربي أما استحييت تعصيني وتخفي الذنب عن خلقي وبالعصيان تأتيني فكيف أجيب يا ويحي ومن ذا سوف يحميني أسأل النفس
Okay, here you know that this
بالآمال
bait ba
حين
wata kaf lam wa
إلى
munzu muskhala
حين
rubba hasha min ada
وأنسى
fi
ما
an ada hatta ila,
وراء
okay? So ba is
الموت
one, ta is second,
ماذا
this is third,
بعد
this is fourth, this is fifth, okay?
تكفيني
This is fifth, muz is
كأني
sixth,
قد
muz is seven, khala is
أغويت
eighth, rubba is ninth,
العيش ليس
the hasha is the 10th one,
الموت
okay? Min is
يأتيني
11th, ada is
وجاءت
12th one,
سكرة
fi
الموت
is like 13
الشديدة
one, an is
من
14 one, ala is
سيحميني
15, and
نظرت
hatta
إلى
is 16, ila
الوجوه
is hatta
أليس
ila is 17, okay? Like
منا
in easy way you can
سيفديني
memorize this bait, so inshallah
سأسأل ما
you will not forget
الذي
this symbols of
قدمت
ism,
في
okay? Ba wa ta wa kaf wa lam wa munzu muskhala
دنياي
rubba hasha min ada
وكيف
fi an ala hatta ila, okay? So
أجادل
it will be more easy for you people inshallah. In
وراء
Nahwa we will know about the actions of these huruf, that what action does this huruf give to harf, and what will be the meaning of these actions. So inshallah this will be more easy and more interesting topic for you people, okay? So as you all know that we were talking about the symbols of ism, okay? So first of all, when in the start of the kalima there comes alif lam, so it will be considered it as ism. And the second one we studied that when at the start there comes anyone from huroof-e-jar, okay? Anyone from these huruf ba wa ta wa kaf wa lam wa منذ مسخلة رب حاشا من عدا في عن على حتى إلى. Any one of from these huruf comes, so it will be inshallah the ism, okay? So these 17 are the huroof-e-jar. The letter those gives to the kalimat jar. Therefore, they are called the huroof-e-jar. Okay, so these letter gives to when these huruf enter on any single kalima, so the kalima got kasra, the kalima got jar, the kalima got zair. Okay, so the kalima got kasr, okay? So the kalima got maksur, okay? So which name you think that is suitable for you, and that is what is easy for you, you can give to this kalima. Majroor, okay? Majroor, maksur, kasra, zair, okay? So these huruf are giving the jar or the kasra, and these huruf are the main symbol of the ism. In another video inshallah we will teach more symbols of ism. So first of all, when we clear these symbols of ism, we will go to the symbols of fail, we will go to the symbol of harf inshallah. So if you have further question you can ask us easily. Feel free to contact us inshallah, we will respond to you as soon as possible. So remember in your prayers, jazakumullah, assalamu alaikum.